Here I've got LG K11 and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then pick General, the last tab, go to the accounts and now choose the one that is currently active, which is Google. And if you'd like to remove this account from your LG K11, all you have to do is to tap on More icon and then select Remove Account. Confirm that you would like to remove the account with all its messages, contacts and other data by tapping on Remove. And that's it. As you can see, there is no account right now, so you are not connected with your device. And if you'd like to add another Google account or log in with the same, just open the settings, go to the General, pick Accounts and click on Add Account. Select Google because we would like to add Google account. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, as otherwise you will not be able to log in with your details. And now just enter phone number or email address, whichever is connected with your Google account. In my case it's Gmail. 1@gmail. And then click on Next. And now just enter the password. So let me do it off the screen. And when the password is entered, just tap on Next. And here you can come along with all Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service and also Privacy Policy. And if you agree with all the terms, just tap on I agree. And here you've got Google services that are active and click on Accept to confirm your selection of these service settings. And that's it. As you can see, now your Google account is added to the device and you can use all features connected with it. So that would be all. So you can add and remove Google account in your LG K11. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.